Hello everyone, welcome to Honeybee TV. Today I'm drawing picture of an apple, a fork and a knife. First I'm going to draw apple. Let's draw and color together. Please try to draw this apple with me. It's very easy drawing. Here's the picture of fork. Have you ever drawn the picture of an apple in fork and knife? Hurry up! It is very easy drawing. Here is the knife. Let's add some beautiful colors in it. Here is brown. Green. Apple is red. Did you know? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I love drawing apple. This is very easy. Green. Pink. Blue. Blue. Green. Pink. Finally, our drawing is complete.